Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we have seen about the pagan and pari. Now, we are going to see about the Adhyaman. Okay. So, Adhyaman is, there was another philanthropist called Adhyaman. He also ruled the Illi region, Tagadur in Dharmapuri district. He ruled Tagadur. Say all of you. Tagadur. In which district? Dharmapuri district. Okay, so Adhyaman ruled Tagadur in Dharmapuri district. Then one day he was presented with a very rare type of gooseberry. Gooseberry means nellika. Okay, rare type na ariya vagaya sendadu. He was told that anyone who ate that rare fruit would be immortal. So idu yaar சாப்பிடுறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அழிவே இல்லாம இருக்கும் அப்படி. So do you know that what did he do? So நம்மள என்ன பண்ண உடனே immediately will say eat by ourselves. இல்லையா? அதுதான் பண்ணுங்க as children. But he was told, he offered that fruit to an old Tamil poetess Avvaiyar. Avvaiyar தெரியும் இல்லையா? ஆத்திச்சூடி எழுதினாங்க இல்லையா? Avvaiyar. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்களாம். So, the same Avvaiyar I read about her in Tamil textbook Gita is telling. Okay, the grandpa is telling, yes, Gita. Avvaiyar was shocked and asked Adhyaman why he was offering her the gooseberry. So, Avvaiyar konde shock. என்னடா இந்த வயசான பாட்டி கிட்ட போய் இந்த gooseberry கொடுக்குறாங்களே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. She said that he should eat his fruit as he was a chieftain. நீ தான் king. அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்க? You are the king. You are the chieftain. You have to eat this fruit. But what Adhyaman told that there would be many chieftains after him. அவருக்கு அப்புறம் Adhyamanக்கு after many chieftains, many kings will come and he will rule the country well. But there would not be many poets. But யாருமே நிறைய poets இல்லை. கவிதை பாடல் எழுதுகிறவங்க poets, கவிதை எழுதுகிறவங்க யாருமே இல்லை. To teach people, peopleக்கு டீச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு how to live life better, இந்த வாழ்க்கையை எப்படி நல்லபடியாக வாழணும், how to live life better like her. ஸோ அவங்க வந்து ஆத்திச்சூடியில் அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு, ஆறுவது சினம், எழுவது கரவேல், ஈவது விளக்கேல் அப்படின்னு நிறைய பாடல் அவ்வையார் எழுதியிருக்கிறது சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. லைஃப்பை எப்படி லீட் பண்ண, how to live in your life to in a good manner. ஸோ அதனால் நீங்கள் தான் அந்த நெல்லிக்கனியை சாப்பிட்ணுன்னு சொல்லி he gave. Can you imagine a powerful chieftain offering such a valuable gift as a old poetess? யாராவது பேர் வயசான poetess கிட்ட இந்த மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்களோ? we can't imagine. So this shows how people valued each other. அதனால் இதுலேருந்து என்னதுன்னா ஒவ்வொரு பீப்புள் அந்த ஈவன் கிங்காக இருந்தாலும் சரி, அது ஈவன் பெரிய poetess-ஆக இருந்தாலும் சரி, they value the people. அந்த பீப்புளோட வேல்யூ, அவங்களுடைய தன்மை எப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து உதவி பண்ணாங்க இல்லையா? வேல்யூபிள் கிஃப்ட். சரி, ஆஃபர்ட் அ வேல்யூபிள் கிஃப்ட் டு த போயட்டிஸ். டோன்ட் யூ அக்ரி? ஸோ இந்த சங்கம் ஏஜில் இந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு வள்ளல்களாக வி ஆர் பீன் சீயிங். எஸ் கிராண்ட்பா, வி ஷுட் ஆல்வேஸ் வேல்யூ பீப்புள் அரவுண்ட் அஸ். ஸோ நவ் இன் திஸ் கொஸ்டின் இஸ் தேர், வாட் டிட் Adhyaman receive? What did Adhyaman receive? Adhyaman received as a present. As a present. என்ன present கிடைச்சது அவங்களுக்கு? Answer is rare type of, வெறும் gooseberryல rare type, அரிய வகை gooseberry. வெறும் gooseberryன்னு போட்டால் ஒரு நெல்லிக்காய், சாதாரண நெல்லிக்காய் எதுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்? So, rare type of gooseberry. Who was Avvaiyar? Who was Avvaiyar? Avvaiyar was an, சொல்லுங்க. Who was Avvaiyar? Avvaiyar was an old Tamil poetess. Avvaiyar was an old Tamil poetess. Okay, next, third one. Why did Adhyaman give gooseberry to Avvaiyar? Why did Adhyaman give gooseberry to Avvaiyar? Why did he give? To live long life. to teach people how to live life better. To teach people to live long life. To teach people. Okay, so these are the 3 questions for the Adiyaman. Now, the next one. So can you understand, children? Go through this question answer, what all I have written. Okay. Next one is about Valvilvori. Next one is Valvilvori. In this Valvilvori, okay, so we have finished this now. List the things given by the philanthropist. Okay, we'll see later. Let me tell you another story of the chieftain called Valvilvori, who ruled the Hilly region. So Valvilvori is which Hilly region he ruled? He ruled Kolli Hills. So he ruled the Kolli Hills in Namakkal district. Which district? Namakkal. Namakkal district. Okay. Does the will in his name means bow? Or pair when the bal will area. So on the will means bow the name. Abdin she asked, Geeta asked. How smart you are? Yes, it does. So val means in artho. Val means powerful. Val means powerful. And will means bow. That's why he got his name Valvilvori. He got his name as an expert archer. He was an expert will vitela kaiternava expert archer. That's why he got a Valvilvori, that name. Okay, amazing. What did he do for the people? So our people, what he had done. Valvilvori was not only known for his skill in archery. Archery na the will vitela and the therama matta skill means therama. Not only is known for his skill in archery, but also hailed as a kind ruler. Romba anbana ruler. He used to reward bards, musicians, dancers and other artisans for their skills. So எல்லாருக்குமே musicians, dancers, other கலைஞர்கள் அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே அவங்களோட திறமையை பாராட்டி he will give the gifts and பரிசுகள் கொடுப்பார். reward, giving the reward. Grandpa, I like Valvilvori. What about the other 3 philanthropists? இப்போ இவங்களை பற்றி நம்ம பார்த்தோம். Other 3 philanthropists யார் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, I also ruled the Hilly region in the Podigai Hills. So 5th one வந்து I வந்து which region he ruled? He ruled the Podigai Hills. I ruled Podigai Hills in South India. Okay, south of Madurai. So this and all very shortly we are going to see. South of Madurai. And next Nedumudikari. Next one is Nedumudikari. Which region he ruled? Nedumudikari. He ruled over which region? Tondai Mandalam of Tirukkoyilur. Tondai Mandalam at Tirukkoyilur. This and all we are seeing only in the short. And Nalli ruled the region of He ruled the region of Tottimalai. So these are the philanthropists we have been seeing in this lesson. They were all well known for the kindness. So all these 7 philanthropists, they were known for the kindness. And that's why even after so many years, we have been still they are remembered fondly by us. Thank you for the interesting stories. I will share this with all my friends, says Geeta. Okay, so which hilly region this Walwilwori ruled? So here also they are having the try to answer. So which hilly region? Which hilly region did Walwilwori rule? So in the region paranga, I have written this side no. So which region he rule? He rule the Kolli Hills. Answer is Kolli Hills. Okay. What is the meaning of Wal and Will? What is the meaning of? So these are the questions also you must learn, children, of. That's why I am writing side by side while I am taking this. Wal and Will. What is the meaning for this? Wal means what I said, powerful. Wal means powerful. Valimai சொல்றோம் இல்லையா அதுதான் wal. Valimai, powerful. Will, that is bow. Okay. So these are the questions in the answer in this lesson. So here in page number 102, they are given the match the following. Page 102. Match they are given, you see. Pari, Pagan, Adiyaman, Walwilwori. So they are given the match in page number 102. You see the match. Kind towards animals. Kind towards animals. Then rewarded skilled people. Rewarded skilled people. And kind towards nature. Kind towards nature. And then valued people. Valued people. Okay, so I'll put a number. Pari is kind towards nature, and then Pagan is kind towards animals, and Adiyaman, valued people, and Walwilwori rewarded the skilled people. So these are the questions in your book, and you can read the question answers also. Now, we will see in the page number, list the name of the 7 philanthropists and the regions they are asking. So, we will see that 7 philanthropists. I will write one by one. So, take out your book and note down. If you are not having the book, you take out your notebook and note down, children. Here, page number 103. Page number 103. Philanthropist. So this is the lesson, first lesson. So I will write this question, page number 103. List the names of 7 philanthropists and the regions. Philanthropist and the regions. So list the names of 7 philanthropists and their regions. Here, philanthropist, you have to write the name. And here is the region. So one by one we will see, children. Okay. So first one. Pari. First one is pagan. Pagan, Palani Hills. Palani Hills. Okay, pagan, Palani Hills. Pari, Pari, Parambu Nadu. Parambu Nadu. And then Adiyaman, Adiyaman, Tagadur, Tagadur, Adiyaman region. And then fourth one, Valviluri, Valviluri, Kulli Hills. This is all in your book. Valviluri, Kulli Hills. I வந்து பொதிகை, பொதிகை hills. Then நெடுமுடிக்காரி, நெடுமுடிக்காரி. தொண்டை மண்டலம், தொண்டை மண்டலம். நெடுமுடிக்காரி is தொண்டை மண்டலம். Nalli, and seventh one Nalli is Totti Malai. Nalli is Totti Malai. So these are the 7 chieftains who ruled the regions, philanthropists and the regions. Pagan, Palani Hills, Pari, Parambu Nadu, Adiyaman வந்து Tagadur, Valviluri, Kulli Hills, I வந்து பொதிகை, நெடுமுடிக்காரி, தொண்டை மண்டலம், and Nalli is Totti Malai. And here the master following page number 102 and this is the page number 103. So here they are given some of the glossaries also. Learn these glossaries, children. Sangam Age, a period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. Philanthropist, a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. Steep hill, a very tall hill. Immortal, living forever. Bards, a poet. Artisan, a worker in a skilled profession. Here in this recap, there were many philanthropists in Sangam Age. Some of them is famous, so I told you overall that 7. And the Moovenders, you know that Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. And philanthropists, what they are known for? They were known for the kindness towards the people as well as the nature. So the 7 philanthropists are Pagan, Pari, Adiyaman, Valviluri, Nedumudikari and Nalli. So this is the lesson. So you have to learn and go through this. So what all we have learned in this, you go through this each and everything. And one more thing, we have written the philanthropist and the regions and everything, even in the short question answer also I gave, no, what are each and every, try to answer. Name any 3 philanthropists, you can write Pagan, and Nalli. During which age did the 7 famous philanthropists rule the Hilly region? In Sangam Age. And which hilly region did Pagan rule? Palani Hills. What did Pagan see when he was taking a walk? A peacock. What did Pagan use to cover the shivering peacock? A shawl. Okay. And then, which was the region ruled by Pari? Parambu Nadu. And what was stopped from the lower regions to Parambu Nadu? Food and water. What did Pari give to support Jasmine climber? He gave his golden chariot. And then what did Adiyaman receive as a present? A rare type of gooseberry. Don't write verum gooseberry in the no marks because this is a rare type of gooseberry that whoever eaten this fruit, they would be immortal. அழியாமல் இருப்பாங்க, சாகே இல்லாமல், சாகா வரம் பெற்றவர்கள். Who was Avvaiyar? Avvaiyar was an old Tamil poetess. Why did Adiyaman give gooseberry to Avvaiyar? To live a long life and to teach people. And then Then which region did Valvilvori rule? Kolli Hills. What is the meaning of Val and Vil? Val means powerful. Valimai சொல்றலையா அதுதான் Val powerful. Vil means bow. So Valvilvori is very skilled in his archery. Archery na சொன்ன வில் வித்தை. Okay. And then list the things given by the philanthropist. What are the things they had given? So that one is the last. So we will see this. List the things given by the philanthropist. List the things given by philanthropist. So what are the things they are given? That is page number 100. Pari, first one they are given Pari, second one pagan, and third one Adiyaman. So what all they are given? Innana kudutanga Adiyaman. Pari has given us golden chariot இல்லையா முல்லைக்கு தேர் கொடுத்தான் பாரி. He gave golden chariot. Pagan வந்து he gave a shawl to peacock. For a climber. And then Adiyaman, rare type of gooseberry. Okay children, so learn this and go through all this. Okay, so what are list the things given by the philanthropist? Pari gave a golden chariot for a climber, and pagan a shawl to the peacock. Adiyaman a rare type of gooseberry. So these are the given by the philanthropist. Okay children, so thank you children, learn this.